Welcome to the next charting exercise in which we will get to know how to create a constant line on a pivot chart. The challenge is quite interesting because if you imagine that we have the year coming from the order date and also the sales value, you cannot add external data series to this kind of pivot table to reflect the line that we would like to add to this column chart. So there are, of course, many ways how you can do it. The so-called by me PowerPoint style techniques are just drawing some kind of shapes on top of your chart. But the problem is whenever something changes on your chart, for example, the axis will end somewhere higher, you will notice that this line is not reacting on this change. So a better idea in here is to make something that will work all the time. And since we cannot add external data sources, we need to create a calculated field that will be called target, that will present our 10 million value as the constant value. After hitting OK, we will get just a separate data series based on which we can just change the chart type to create a combo chart and have sum of sales as the clustered column and sum of target as the line chart. After formatting of the chart and adding a title, we get a nice looking chart.